Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube page, your home for fun and simple Arduino projects. Okay, so as we've been building, today we are going to build a simple siren. What will the siren do? The siren, we know that the siren does what? It just, as the sound goes, then the light also goes. So the sound increases and decreases while the light also brightens and dims as well. So we are going to merge the two all together using our Arduino kit. Stay right with me, stay tuned, and let's dive it. You get it? Let's go. Okay, so there's my buzzer. I'll insert my buzzer on the breadboard. This is my 220 ohm resistor. I'll set that one to on my breadboard. There's my LED. The long LED goes with the 220 ohm resistor alongside with the pin to the Arduino pin. While the negative side or the short leg goes to the ground. So let's connect our jumper wires to the breadboard. Let's just connect them. So let's just make the light parts yellow and the other colors. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Yes. So at this point, let's connect it to the Arduino board. Let's connect it on our Arduino board. So there is the negative side or the long side. It goes to the ground of the on the Arduino board. So there is the ground. Okay, so this one goes to any pin apart from the digital pins. So I'll be taking pin 7. And for the buzzer, one goes to the ground and the other goes to the digital pin. Okay, so I'll take this for the ground. There's this ground here. After the V in, we have this ground, and I'll take pin 3 as my digital pin. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here is the setup. Here's a simple setup, and there's my Arduino. This is how I place it on my Arduino. So let's go to the code. And what the LED is supposed to do? Okay, the LED is supposed to read what's inside I. So we indicated I in the for loop. I indicated I in the for loop. So I'm like, for I equals to 0, I should be less than or equal to 600. Increase I by 1. So the LED is supposed to be increasing by 1. So if I place my Arduino kit inside my PC, if I connect it to the PC and I upload this code to the Arduino kit, what will happen is my light will keep on increasing by 1, because I indicated here that anything that happens or anything there should be increased by 1 at this place. And for the tone 2 is a function where the buzzer sounds. Okay, so the sound of the buzzer comes from the tone. So that's just a tone. Inside the tone also takes two inputs. What's the first input? The buzzer, or the input number, the pin number, or where the pin is located. So which part of the Arduino pin did I place the buzzer? Pin number 3. But I indicated, or I assigned it with the name buzzer. So anywhere I go, I use the buzzer instead of the pin 3. So it increases by this. So as time goes on, or as the code is uploaded into the Arduino and everything starts, the buzzer will start at a frequency of 250 hertz, and it will increase up to 1450 hertz. While this takes place, both the LED and the buzzer will take place at the same time. So the LED will increase or will bright, while the buzzer too will increase its sound. And for the second part of for the second loop, which is inside the void loop, for the second for loop, we tell the buzzer to decrease from the 600 or from the 1450 hertz to a hertz of 250, which is my lowest hertz here. And I'm telling the LED to decrease from 600 to 0. So that's what this part of the loop does, and that's the simplest code I've ever written. So let's connect our Arduino. Let me connect my Arduino to my PC and let's see what happens. Let me upload it. Compiling sketch uploaded successfully. Okay, so that's what I told the light and the buzzer to do. The buzzer increases and decreases, while the LED also increases or brightens and dims. So I use the analog light to dim the light or the LED, and I use the tone to increase and decrease the buzzer. Okay, so thank you. Stay tuned. Subscribe, follow and subscribe.